the three most important investment accounts everyone should have. What if I told you that building wealth isn't about making more money, it's about putting your money in the right accounts? Most people work hard their entire lives but never become financially secure because they don't know these three essential investment accounts. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what they are and how they can help you build wealth, create financial security, and achieve financial freedom. Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about improving your finances, investing wisely, and creating a better future for yourself and your family, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the three most important investment accounts everyone should have. These accounts work together like a financial foundation. Miss one of them, and your financial house becomes unstable. Let's get started. Account number one, emergency fund account, why it's important. The first account isn't exciting, but it may be the most important. Before investing aggressively, you need an emergency fund account. Example, imagine your car breaks down tomorrow and the repair costs $2,000, or you lose your job unexpectedly. Without an emergency fund, many people are forced to use credit cards, take loans, or sell investments at the worst possible time. An emergency fund protects your financial future. Goal. Most financial experts recommend saving between 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, your emergency fund should be between $9,000 and $18,000. Where to keep it? Keep this money in a high-yield savings account where it's safe, accessible, and earning interest. Key takeaway: your emergency fund is your financial shock absorber. Account number two, short-term investment account. Why it's important? The second account is your short-term investment account. This account is for goals you'll need money for within the next 1 to 5 years. Examples: this could include buying a home, starting a business, purchasing a vehicle, paying for education, taking a dream vacation. These are important goals, but they happen sooner than retirement. Example: let's say you want to buy a home in 3 years and need a $30,000 down payment. Instead of leaving the money sitting idle, you can invest it conservatively in appropriate investments that match your timeline and risk tolerance. Key takeaway: this account helps you achieve major life goals without disrupting your long-term wealth building strategy. Account number three, long-term wealth building account. Why it's important: this is where real wealth is built. Your long-term wealth building account is designed for goals that are 10, 20, or even 30 years away. Examples: this includes retirement, college savings, financial independence, generational wealth. The biggest advantage here is time. Example of compound growth. Imagine investing $500 every month into a diversified investment portfolio at an average annual return of 10%. After 30 years, you could accumulate well over $1 million, not because you invested a huge amount at once, but because you gave your money time to grow. Compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. When your investments earn returns and those returns earn returns, wealth begins to accelerate. Key takeaway: the earlier you start, the less money you actually need to invest to reach your goals. Putting it all together, think of these three accounts as a financial pyramid. At the bottom is your emergency fund, providing security. In the middle is your short-term investment account, helping you reach important life goals. At the top is your long-term wealth building account, creating financial freedom and lasting wealth. Each account serves a different purpose, and together they create a complete financial strategy. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You don't need a finance degree. You simply need a plan. Start by building your emergency fund, then create a short-term investment account for upcoming goals, and most importantly, consistently invest in your long-term wealth building account. Remember, wealth is not built overnight. It's built through consistent decisions repeated over time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future. Also, comment below. Which of these three accounts are you working on right now? Emergency fund, short-term investing, or long-term wealth building? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.